In this video, we'll discuss the basic concepts of profit and loss and some questions on it. The price at which a man or a shopkeeper or a dealer buys an article is called the cost price. Remember, purchase price, buying price, cost price, and sometimes the word outlay is used for the cost price. These all are same. And the price at which he sells is called the selling price. If selling price is more than cost price, then there will be a profit. But if selling price is less than the cost price, there will be a loss. I repeat, अगर सेलिंग प्राइस कॉस्ट प्राइस से बड़ा है, ज्यादा है, तो प्रॉफिट होगा. अगर सेलिंग प्राइस कॉस्ट प्राइस से कम है तो लॉस होगा. Let us discuss with an example the first type of question on profit and loss. It is given a shopkeeper buys an article for 200 and sells it for 250. What is the profit amount? What is the profit percent? In this case, cost price is 200 and selling price is 250. That means there will be a profit. How much profit? 250 minus 200 is equal to 50 rupees. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. But if profit percent is asked, that you can calculate profit divided by CP into 100. Always profit percent or loss percent is calculated on cost price. In this case, the profit amount is 50, the cost price is 200, so 50 upon 200 into 100 is equal to 25%. Let us move to another question of the same type. Shopkeeper buys an article for 200 and sells it for 150. In this case, the selling price is less than the cost price. So there will be a loss. How much loss? 200 minus 150 is equal to 50 rupees loss. This 50 rupees is the loss amount. Why? Because the selling price is less than the cost price. Loss percentage you can calculate on the same way, loss upon CP into 100. So loss amount is 50, cost price is 200 into 100. So there will be a loss of 25%. This is the type 1 question. I hope it is understood. Let us move to type 2 question. Before that, I revise percentage profit is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Percentage loss is equal to loss upon CP into 100. What is type 2 question? If you read this question, you find that in this case, the selling price is asked. The cost price is given. Buy price means cost price. Profit percent is given. You need to find the selling price. So you can get directly 20% of 200 because 200 is the cost price. I told you profit percent is calculated on the cost price. Cost price is given 200, 20% profit. Can calculate this 20% on 200, that is equal to 40. That is profit amount is 40. What is the selling price? 200 plus 40 is equal to 240 rupees. So the shopkeeper should sell the article at 240 to get a profit of 20%. Or remember, I told you in percentage that the base must be taken as 100%, and in profit and loss, the base is cost price. So you can take the cost price as 100% and selling price would be 120%, 100 plus 20%. So directly you can find 120% of 200 and will get the selling price as 240. I repeat, 120% of 200 is the selling price. This is very important concept, guys. I repeat, if profit of 20% is there, the selling price is 120% of the cost price. 200 is the cost price, into 120% will get that selling price directly. Or some students solve it by taking cost price as 1 and selling price is 1.2. So 200 into 1.2, the answer is 240. This is also correct. Another question of the same type. Shopkeeper buys an article for 200. That means this is the cost price. Buys means cost price. And by selling it, he incurs a loss of 10%. So what is his selling price? Loss amount is 10% of 200, that is 20 rupees. And selling price is 200 minus 20 is equal to 180 rupees. We are getting 180 rupees is the selling price. This is the general method. Or as I told you, cost price should be taken as 100%. Selling price should be 90%. 90% of what? 90% of the cost price. Cost price is given as 200. So 90% of 200 is equal to 180 rupees. Or you can find, if you take the cost price as 1, selling price is 0.9, 200 into 0.9 is also 180 rupees. These are the three ways you can get the selling price from the cost price. Right? In type 2 question, we are getting selling price from the cost price. Let us move to the concept once again. Cost price should be taken as 100%. If there is a profit, then the selling price will be 100 plus profit percent. If there is a loss, the selling price will be 100 minus loss percent. This you must remember. Look at this question. A man sold a watch for 1,000 which he bought at 1,250. In this case, the cost price is 1,250, the selling price is 1,000. The selling price is written first, the cost price is written next to it. Usually students take the first given price as cost price. Remember, you need to read the question carefully. Cost price is 1,250, selling price is 1,000. So there will be loss. How much loss? 1,250 minus 1,000 is 250 rupees loss. Loss percent is 250 upon 1,250 into 100, that is 20% loss. By mistake, if you take the cost price as 1,000 because it is written first, then you will get a wrong answer. So you need to read the question carefully. Which is the cost price? Which is the selling price? Whether there will be a profit or loss. Then you need to calculate as per the data given. Let us move to type 3 question. Very important question, student make mistakes. A man sold an article for 800 at a loss of 20%. What is his cost price? Usually students calculate 20% of 800, then add it or subtract it. But you cannot do that because this is not the cost price. This is the selling price. Selling price is given as 800 and you cannot calculate 20% on the selling price. 20% will be always calculated on the cost price. How to solve this kind of question? Take the cost price as 100% and selling price as 80%. Why 80? Because loss of 20%. 100 minus 20% is equal to 80%. So 80% is 800. What is 100%? 80% is 800. What is 100%? If you cancel, we'll be getting 1,000 as the cost price. Or remember, to get cost price, you can apply this concept, selling price into 100 upon 100 plus profit or loss. 100 plus profit, 100 minus loss. Here profit P and L are in percentages. So directly you can apply this. 800 into 100 by 80 is equal to 1000. 100 will be in the numerator when you find the cost price from the selling price. Remember, this concept is very, very important. Wherever profit and loss concept is used, you need to apply this concept to get the cost price from the selling price. Similar question. There is a profit of 60%. So we can get 160% as 800. What is 100%? That is 800 divided by 160 into 100. Or you can apply directly. 100 is in the numerator. 800 into 100 by 160. 500 is the answer. In this case, we are getting cost price from the selling price. Very, very important concept. I hope it is clear. Let us move to type 4. Finding selling price at a different profit or loss percent. By selling an article for 1530 rupees, a dealer loses 10%. At what price should he sell it so as to gain 20%? In this case, losses 10% means 90% is given. We need to find the selling price at 20%. That means 120% is asked. So you can get that by 1530 dividing by 90 into 120, 2040 is the answer. So these are the 4 types of question you must understand, learn to solve question correctly.